Looking for a healthy yet satisfying desi brunch? We've got you covered. Today we're making two wholesome recipes that are light on the stomach, big on flavor, Sama rice upma and oats idli with a spicy sweet peanut chutney. Perfect for when you want to eat clean without compromising on taste. Let's start with Sama rice upma, a perfect brunch option that's guilt-free, light and packed with subtle South Indian flavors. For this, in a pan, heat some oil, add mustard seeds and then let them splutter. Now toss in some grated ginger and saute lightly. Now add medium chopped onion, saute till it turns translucent. Now add 5 to 6 fresh curry leaves and some salt. Now mix in washed Sama rice and roast it well for a minute. Next, pour in some water, mix and let it cook on medium flame. Once the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked, turn off the flame. Now add some freshly grated coconut and mix gently. Top it off with some desi ghee for that rich, nutty aroma. And there you have it, warm, wholesome Sama rice upma that's perfect for a clean, comforting brunch. Next up, soft fluffy oats idli paired with a spicy peanut chutney. For this, dry roast oats in a pan till lightly golden. Now cool it down and grind into a fine powder. In a mixing bowl, combine powdered oats with roasted semolina. Now add curd and salt and mix into a smooth batter. Just before steaming, add fruit salt to make it fluffy and mix gently. Now boil water in a pressure cooker without the whistle. Oil your idli molds and pour in the batter. Now place molds in the cooker, cover and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. While the idlis steam, let's quickly whip up a bold peanut chutney. For this, in a grinder, add roasted peanuts and dry red chilies. Grind them to a coarse powder. Now transfer to a bowl and mix in sesame oil, salt, crushed garlic and a touch of honey. Now mix it well till it becomes a thick, spoonable chutney. The idlis are done. Just pop them out of the mold and serve them hot with that spicy, tangy, nutty chutney. So whether you're eating clean, planning a light weekend brunch or just craving some soulful Indian food, these recipes are comfort in every bite. Try them out and let us know which one stole your heart.